leaking. Got 3/8 and your typical. Should be easy enough. These are giving me a real hard time. This isn't big enough. So this should do the trick. So of course this one doesn't want to come off. This one came off. It's all stripped out now, so I'm gonna have to cut it. This doesn't require putty. I'm gonna trust it. Not the smartest connecting mechanism, but it'll work. So now, I want those holes to be covered. Really a nice faucet. It's leaking from here and up here. I guess that I shouldn't have trusted that rubber gasket versus putty. I might have to redo this. I'll try and tighten it though.